Over a year ago, the new NAIA Infracorp, or NNIC, took on the responsibility of rehabilitating and managing our primary gateway. The goal was clear: transform the Manila International Airport into an airport that works always with the passengers in mind. Hindi lamang ito usapin tungkol sa infrastruktura. Ito ay usapin ng malasakit, ang pag-unawa sa pagod, pangamba at pananabik ng bawat Pilipino at bisitang dumadating dito sa ating bansa. It only shows that the Philippines can meet global standards while remaining